sleeping apart.
Things should never come to this.
That is why I'm through the moon to present our latest innovation, Temper Choice. It features an adjustable support system that can be personalized with the touch of a button, so both of you can get the best sleep possible together.
Good night, love chickens.
Excuse my English. Love birds.